Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to tackle this play to earn game, NFT game in Wax blockchain, which is called Farm Wars, okay? So I actually checked their Twitter, and as I can see, they just joined November 2021, so we can assume that this game is working for more than 6 months now. And we're going to talk everything about this. If you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content, and let's just jump right into it, okay? Farm Wars. So this is the trailer.
In a galaxy far away, there is a planet called Farm Boomy. On the planet Farm Boomy, there are communities of villagers who like to live peacefully by farming, mining, poultry, and animal husbandry. But things are not always peaceful. Due to frequent attacks of beasts, farmers have decided to create an army for the defense. As their armies grew, so did their hunger for power. As a result, farmers have started attacking each other's farms. The powerful conquer the less powerful and loot their resources. With time and resources, the scientific advancement of farmers reaches a point never seen before. They are now able to upgrade their machines and weapons. But they didn't stop there. They kept on researching and upgrading their technology. Ultimately, they are able to travel interstellar to the different planets of their galaxy, conquering the lands for resources.
Alright, I think that trailer is kind of weird for me because, I mean, I do understand that they started from farming, but I guess that's how technology works. Like they became like they made an army, and then they start attacking, and then they go into the galaxy. Anyway, let's go back in here, okay? So they are introducing a new world of gaming which include farming, wars, upgrading, and conquest, okay? So there's a PvE and also there is a PvP battle here. So of course, in PvE, you can use your farmland to strategically breed animals to collect food, collect water, build and upgrade buildings, train armies to explore the dungeons to get rare NFTs. So you will be able to get this in PvE. So for the PvP, okay, you can build an army and then you will fight other people, and if you win, you will get the resources for that and also some exclusive NFTs. Alright, so of course these exclusive NFTs depends on what level you are and how difficult is your opponent as well. So here are some of the galleries, here are some of the NFTs that will be included, okay, in Farm Wars. And if we're just going to go down, okay, this is the roadmap. The good thing here is that I will be opening Atomic Hub, alright? I just want to be transparent, like honestly. And I actually searched it last time, so you see, it is whitelisted. So what does it mean if it is whitelisted? It means that Atomic Hub actually what do you call that? Authorize them to be able to sell their collection, and also having a whitelisted means that your project is authentic. Your NFTs that you're using is authentic because this has been cross-checked by the Wax team as well. So if you're worried about your NFTs, do not be, because it's already whitelisted. And also like we're going to go back in here, okay, on the phase 2, they've actually successfully created this one. The NFT sales are going to be coming, like the whitelist, gold and silver. The launch will be also coming in this quarter two of 2022. So there's April, May, and June. So expect before July, the farm age game alpha launch will be, you'll be able to play this game already. And also the beta launch, which is like the usual, or the main launch of the game, will be also available on quarter two. And this is the team behind Farm Wars. So if you're going to go down here, what do you call that? The developers are not seen. Okay, but it doesn't mean that they're going to rug or anything, because you can see they even have a company ID in here. So the CEO is Prasenjit Mishra. You can probably see in here, man. So you can probably save it if you're like, hey, who's the people behind this? You can already tell. And of course, they are partnered with Wax, Unity, and Alcor. So Alcor is an exchange in Wax blockchain, wherein it's going to be easier for you to buy coins inside Wax without paying any gas fees, because Wax blockchain is a free, what do you call that? There's really no gas fees in there, okay? And let's just go into the farm paper. So again, this is the introduction. So farm age, there's a land, there's a farming, there's a water extraction, there's an animal poultry, there's a fishing, there's a wood cutting, and there's even a gold mining. So if you missed Farmers World before, I guess I would say you shouldn't miss this one, because I think there's a lot of things that are stored into this project as well. Alright? Alright? I hope it's pretty much clear. So they're also going to have a marketplace. So NFTs can be called NFT if there's a marketplace, because you need to be able to have a power wherein you want to sell, you want to buy, because you own that product, you own that NFT, you own that asset. And I think it's very important that marketplace are always present in games. There's also have like a crafting in here. And let's just go into the tokenomics, which I think is something that is very critical in every single game. So there are 6 tokens that are going to be available, which is wood, food, water, gold, iron, and fuel. And every time that you are converting your in-game tokens, there will be a transaction charge of 5 to 8%. So why is it needed to have this? Why 5 to 8% is needed? Why they can just make it for free? It is needed because this transaction charge are actually going back into the liquidity. This ensures as well like the stability, like to make the game much more profitable. And this will actually help, because this will definitely buy back some tokens. You know what I'm saying? So they also have a plan to be to multi-chain, which is from Wax. But of course, like what I've said to you, or like what white paper is telling us, that the informations are going to be added soon. So definitely, if you do not know how to use Wax blockchain, you do not want to use Wax blockchain, even though it is actually awesome, definitely they will cater more clients, maybe in Binance Smart Chain, maybe in Polygon, maybe in Solana. We do not know. Okay, so yeah, this is the farm dividend. So if you have like a farm, okay, you will get a revenue of secondary sales in Atomic Hub. So what does it mean? Okay, every time someone is buying or selling, there's actually a fee in here that you need to pay for to the developer. It's like 3% fee, marketplace fee, and then if you're going to get 50% revenue, definitely you're just going to get the half of it. Easy, right? And of course, it will be divided on how many farms that are actually like circulating. So it will be a weekly payout with snapshot taken every Sunday. So this is good because snapshot is very important. I mean, we want transparency in any of those projects in here. So I do recommend this one. And yeah, let's just continue, okay? And let's go back. They do have a Discord actually. Let me just go back into the do have a Discord in here. Yeah, this is the Discord group. Do not forget to join them. Okay, so my Discord app has launched. So you can see there's 13,000 people in here. They're not joking in here, guys. Also, if we're going to check the Telegram group. Yep, they do have a 2,000 people, and yep, this guy is already doxed, alright? This is his real name, so you won't fear anything. And there's a lot of collaborations that they're also doing. You can definitely see it here, man. The non-fungible debt in CDC. There's a lot of things going on in Wax blockchain. That's why. And yeah, this is everything. I will be putting it into the description box below. Make sure to what they call that, to wait for that sale, okay, for that packs, okay, because that packs are like the what they call that, the cheapest, okay. If this has passed, okay, and let's say it's $300, and the packs works like the farmers would, which actually like gets up to 10x or 15x, then definitely you won't be able to buy it at 300 anymore. You need to buy it for $4,000, $5,000. So make sure to check the whitelist sale. Okay, so this is ongoing. Okay, and they do have a lot of stuff in here. So you can see there's only 500 gold pass in here. And to be honest, this is the price. $61 for the gold pass, $45 for the silver packs. Right? So definitely you can get in for like 3,000 pesos, $3,000, 3,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos. Definitely you can get those. And yeah, it will start on May 17th. Okay, and of course you need to be whitelisted. So the packs that are not sold after 24 hours will be open. So first come first serve. So you really need to be very very fast in here, because if not, you're going to get fucked by other people who are investing a lot into this game. Okay, so join the announcements, get some passes. I will make more videos about farmers. Actually, I'm excited, and let's see how we'll be able to play the game. But yeah, I mean, the thing that I learned while I'm studying like on computer, like IT, in my university, is that Indians are very good in computers. So definitely, that's why I said that. Okay, it's from November, so I really assume that they are developing the game for like 6 months already, maybe going to 7 months, because it will be May tomorrow, right? So yeah, I think that's it for today's video, guys. Again, this is Farm Wars NFT Game. Okay, I'm going to follow them, so make sure to follow them. I'm also going to put it into the description box below, so that you won't be able to miss out on any of these kinds of projects. And of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content, and see you on the next video.